Education gives wings to fly. Good morning and welcome to virtual inspection of our school, Narayana E-Techno School. I would like to welcome our IC members, Mr. Yogesh Upadhyay, Principal, All Saints School, Agra, and Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Principal, KV School, Jhajjar. Narayana E-Techno School was established in 2018 with the core feeling of comprehensive education of the student. On this day, I would like to take a short glimpse of our campus. Let's proceed. I am entering inside the campus to the entry gate. This is the entry and the main gate of the campus. Please come. Towards my left is a parking area and towards my right is a sport complex. Let's proceed towards the parking area first. This all is the parking area of the campus. The parking area is extended at till this point. The entire parking area is in CCTV surveillance. This is the boundary wall of the campus, which is 6 feet high and it surrounds all the 4 sides of the campus. As I've already shared, this is under CCTV coverage. So you can see CCTV over there. Proceeding towards the right side of the campus, which is a play area for students. Let us have a short and a crisp glimpse of our campus. This is the front view of our campus. That is the ramp for the smooth dispersal of the students. The campus, the front side has 3 major gates. Front is the reception area. Towards my left is the gate number 1 and towards my right is the gate number 2. Entire campus is in CCTV surveillance. More than 120 cameras are being installed. Moving towards my right side of the campus. This is the green belt of the campus. And this is the play area for the students. This is the play area for kindergarten students. This is the play station for our little angels. Proceeding toward the sports complex for the seniors. Perfect measurement, proper designing. So this is the basketball of our court. This is the another exit of the basketball. Proceeding toward the front office. Narayana School welcome you all. As I've already stated, the entire campus is in CCTV surveillance. So we have 2 CCTV cameras installed over here. Please welcome. This is the front area and the waiting lounge of our campus. She is Madam Anjana taking care of this area. We have 2 counseling rooms, counseling room 1, counseling room 2. And this is the waiting area for the visitors. restricted area. Visitors are not allowed to move out of this area. Please. So now we are in one of the corridor and the ground floor of this campus. Starting from the IT room of the campus, which is a very, very essential part in today's era. So this is the IT room, computer lab, full of technology and tech-savvy student. Please come inside. Please come. This is our IT room, and we have Madam Tanushree here as an IT head.
Welcome to the computer lab. My name is Tanushree and I am the computer faculty in Narayana E-Techno School. In our well-equipped computer lab, we have a setup of 40 systems and we use the client-server model to help our students to grow in each and every practicals. Here we have the notice board of computer lab, wherein we have the list of all the practicals that we do and rules and regulations of discipline maintenance in the computer lab. Here are some of the lab manuals of the students, and this is the computer lab logbook that we maintain for daily recording of in and entry and exit of the students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please come. Entering towards the yoga and meditation room. This is yoga and meditation room. Children practice various yoga postures and Uchcharan of Om. They do it early in the morning before going to their classes. Going next towards the art room of our pre-primary wing. Children love to play with colors. So we created a very colorful art room for them. As per their age group, as per their needs, as per their intellect. So this is the art room for the pre-primary wing. These are the clays, crayons, watercolors, everything, each kind of art is being designed over here. Both are specially made as per the need of the child. This is the primary color palette, this is origami sheet and paper crumbling activity. So this help in grasping their skills better, gross motor skills get developed. This is the medical room of our campus. Please come.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Renu. I am nurse here. I provide basic healthcare to staff and student. This is my medical register, entry of daily maintaining report. This is stock register for medicines. These are first aid box for any emergency. These are amplifier for CPR. This is examination table, privacy के लिए screen. There are 2 bed for rest for students. This is wheelchair for any emergency for students, and this is fridge for ice pack for students and in any injury.
Please come. Every work what we do, we record, we document. That is very, very important for systematic working of the system. So now entering in the document room of the campus. This is the record room. Please come. This is our record room. So, welcome to CBSE inspection, and we would like to welcome our honorable members, Mr. Yogesh Upadhyay and Dr. Sanjay Kumar here. Though they are physically not present, but we have all the honor and respect for them. Let's have a short look on what are the documents we have. So these are all the attendance register of the students, what is maintained on a daily basis. Each and every day's entry is recorded. Students taking leave, students absent, medical leave, every record we keep it. Please come. These are all the attendance register of the student. This is the adoption register. Adoption means each and every teacher adopt few students and just look at the personality development of a child. A child should be physically, morally, academically very strong. So we have all the records. Every record is maintained per child. How the child is scoring, what is the liking, what are the activities, what is the future aspiration for a child. So this is how we maintain our adoption records. So these are the teacher's logbook. Execution is not successful without planning. So every teacher plan. This is a maths logbook, mathematics, how the subject is planned before the teacher go to the classes for teaching the student. So activity based, TLMs based, learning and teaching we deliver here in our campus. So these are the various TLMs what teacher has designed for the students to have a beautiful learning with them. These are the micro schedules, absentee follow-up, audio-visual logbook. As I can show you here also, projectors are installed. So my entire campus has a projectors and projector screen so that we can make the education, we can make the learning interesting for the student. So every concept that is there in the books is being taught in the form of audio visual also. So here is the record of EV room logbooks. Then we are making a phone follow-ups to the students. We are in regular contact of the parents because parents also play a very essential role in the development of a child, and every parent has a right to know what the child is performing and how the child is performing in the campus. So we have a daily phone follow register where we are in contact of each and every parent in the campus. Apart from this, we have a workshop files, we have every student's portfolio. As I shared that activities play an important role. So these are the certain activities that is performed on a daily basis, some subjective, some activities based on the various type of clubs, eco club, yoga club, dance club, literary club. So these are the certain records of those 5, art and craft 5. These are the work performed by the students on the daily basis. So we have kept certain good ones with us to keep a record of what the student is doing. So every child has a different intellect, different interest, different likings. So in order to take care of each and every child personally, we have designed various activity platforms here so that we can try to take care of need of every individual child. Then these are certain examination result files. So these are terminal test series examination result which is being documented here. Apart from this, we prepare our student for national and international Olympiads also. This is one of the NTOF file, Narayana Targeted Olympiad Program. Here we prepare our students for all sorts of Olympiads. Then this is again, we have a micro schedule, student list, AV module, syllabus completion record, health record, marks register, student portfolio, and the timetable for our students. So these are all the documents that we form. This is a daily attendance register, CCA planner, PRMO, and this is the enrichment activity, subject activities, just to make the subject more interesting and creative. We have made these subject activities. These are the certain records of the report cards. and these are the teacher's document, teacher's profile, teacher's portfolio, where their service book, their joining dates, everything is being recorded. These are the student admission files at the time of admission when child come to the campus. We have documented everything, and these are the certain documents which is as per the CBSE norm a school must have, such as FAQs, circulars, CCE records, life skill records, then CBSE circulars, notifications, and everything we have tried to document here. Please come. Entering next towards the counselor's room. This is the counselor's room. Please come. Here we have a special educator and a counselor with us.
Hello, my name is Preeti. I am a counselor working as a counselor here. This is my counseling room. As a counselor, I am looking to concern students, academic, behavioral, social, emotional problems they have faced. Thank you so much. He is a special educator here.
Hello everyone, I am Javed Abbas and I am a special educator over here, and we are working with special need students like autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy and learning disability. We follow the inclusive program here, and we are working with we are planning for actually we are working with special needs students, and we follow the IEP education program here, and our aim to create awareness in the society with the special need kids. Thank you.
I would like to introduce certain things over here. This is the lift of the campus. This is the lift area. Please come. This is the safe drinking water here. This is staff washroom. Now from here you can see a very colorful corridor here. We have a few pre-primary classes set up over here. Let's proceed. This is principal's chamber. This is the activities, scholastic and post-scholastic, what we perform on a daily basis, a small showcase of this. This is our accounts room. This is the showcase of pre-primary activities. Please come. This is one of our pre-primary class. Please come. Welcome to pre-primary section. We have Rashmi ma'am with us.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rashmi Bhalla and I am a mother teacher of a PP2. Now, here I am telling you how we develop a child's growth. We focused on a holistic system. Holistic system means a proper growth of a child, like they're mentally, physically, socially, emotionally. For this, we use variables like As please come, I will show you some variables like a timetable, transport, a theme board, birthday chart, story charts, rhyme chart. Moreover, we are using AV module also and a model system. Here you can see. Yes, we also focused on books, but we try to develop their physically, emotionally, every kind of growth.
Please come. So we have a nice place for our young scientists entering to the chemistry lab. The students love to be in chemistry lab. Please come. Here we have Madam Dolly, our chemistry teacher and faculty member.
Welcome to Narayana Techno Palomihar Chemistry Lab. Myself Dolly, a chemistry faculty member. So let me introduce our chemistry lab. One of the one that we have maintained entry-exit report where students maintain regularly, and we have a stock register also where we maintain what we have brought up for the students in chemistry lab. And we have maintained always the lab manuals according to their work. As well as we have a chemistry enrichment file also there. Their students write up according to their activities. Let's proceed over here. We have a very much nice display board where gives science brains at work, because all the experience, all the experiments have always a learning experience. So now come proceed over here. It is the most important part, that notice board, where we have mentioned the chemistry lab timetable. In that each class has per one lab visit for a week, and we have mentioned chemistry practicals for each and every class. Our chemistry lab is well equipped with all the charts, models, which gives a very good knowledge about the atoms, atomic structure, model periodic table, and very much laboratory measures, pH color chart, as well as we have a solid state, states of matter, and all these scientists' images over here. Now our chemistry lab is very much equipped with all the chemical reagents as well as apparatus, which is of 250 ml beaker, containers, as well as you can see all the things are well equipped over here. We are well equipped with the all digital machines, analytical machines, and we can demonstrate one small experiment over here also. We can take a sodium hydrogen carbonate and oxalic acid. When I mix, I can see that there is a evolution of carbon dioxide gas. So this is a very nice experience, nice experiment that students take in class. Now I can take a centrifugation machine also. In that centrifugation machine, its principle is that denser particles settles at the bottom of the test tube. So you can see that it settles at the bottom of the container. So in this way we have given a good knowledge about the 3D models, which give about the diamond, and everything is well equipped. So now we can see that our chemistry lab is very much well equipped with all the things. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Dolly ma'am. This is the reason children love to be in chemistry lab, as they find miracles happening over here.
Yes, thank you ma'am, because every time students take interest to come here and they do their learning experiences.
Yeah. That's great. Please come. So as I shared you, this is a pre-primary wing, pre-primary section. So good eating habits, healthy habits, junk food, everything is being displayed, day and night concepts. So everything we have displayed here as per a learning experience for the student. This is our fire exit door. The campus has two fire exit number 1 and fire exit number 2. And as you can see, I've already told, CCTVs are installed over here. This is a speaker for centralized announcement systems. Again, keeping safety and security of the students. These are the cylinders which are properly refilled and well maintained. Let's proceed towards the primary section. Welcome to the primary wing. As I've already shared, even in the primary wing we have CCTV surveillance, CCTV cameras installed over here. In the all corners, and again we have a for centralized system. We have speakers over here. So this is a place for the safe drinking water. Students restroom, this is the girls, that is the boys. Symbolic representation you can see over here. Entering to the bio lab. This is the biology lab. Please come. We have Madam Deepika with us, bio faculty.
A very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to my biology lab. Please to come. As you can see over here, we have a different experiment list, different class, different list as per the CBSE norm. We have a timetable also. So according to the timetable, the student used to come in a given period so that they can perform an activity. As you know that our school first priority is the safety and security of a child. So you see, in the both sides of the lab, we have a well-equipped cameras so that there will be no minute negligence in the safety and security of a child. Now over here you see number of charts are there such as digestive system, respiratory system, anatomy of muscles, anatomy of eye, anatomy of excretory system. For example, if I say different type of disease like viral disease we have, bacterial disease, deficiency disease we have, so that we used to motivate our child so that they can live a healthy and a disease-free life. Now coming to the sanitization, over here we have a water system so that after each and every experiment the students are required to wash their hands so that sanitization could be maintained. This is the compound microscope over where the student used to do cheek cell activity and few more activities like that. Over here you see we have a 3D structure of the flower where the minute things can be seen in an enlarged way so that no mug-up, everything will be self-understood. Over here you can see different experiments, different model has been made by the students. We used to conduct these type of exhibitions so as to increase the creativity, so as to increase the boundary of their knowledge. So they can learn more and more over there. Now coming to the next one, over there you can see different speciesmen are there. These speciesmen are one of the interesting part of the biology lab because small kids used to like it. Over there they used to see number of organisms as well as over there you can see they help the higher kid to learn about the diversity in the organism. Now the second part for the biology lab, interesting part is the skeleton. Over there they get to learn about the different type of bones, different type of joints which are movable, which are immovable. Now next to the human torso, over where the student used to disassemble it, then they used to assemble it so that they would be able to learn about the different type of the organ and their associative glands. Then you can see we can take it out. According to our wish, we can take it out so that we can show that this is the heart, it is like center, in the center. So they used to learn with a fun activity. As well as you can see over here, the proper guideline is there. We used to motivate our child for the first aid as well so that they can help themselves and others during any kind of crisis. Now coming to the record portion, over here you see lab manual is there which the student used to maintain. After completion of each and every experiment they used to write the conclusion and the result. Now talking about the biology enrichment file, that enrichment file again you can see how beautiful they are created. It increases their creativity and knowledge so that they could learn more and more. Like herbarium, they have analyzed different type of leaf. Then this is the stock register of biology lab where we used to maintain the record of each and every item, each and every material that is coming in the lab. Now the next one, that is the logbook, lab logbook, over where we used to maintain the record of the experiment which has been conducted on which date, which period. Thank you.
So here students explore themselves basically.
Yes.
Please come. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So proceeding towards the primary section, very colorful, full of positive energy. As you know, this is the COVID time and everybody is taking the classes from home. I would like to show one of the online class which is happening through the campus. He is a third language teacher, Mr. Ranjit, Sanskrit teacher. These are the Narayana live classes going on.
संस्कृते त्रयोदश स्वराः भवन्ति, पञ्चस्वराः ह्रस्वस्वराः, अष्ट च दीर्घस्वराः भवन्ति। यथा ह्रस्वस्वरेषु पञ्च अ इ उ ऋ लृ।
Carry on, sir. Entering towards the dance room. This is the dance room. Here children learn, practice tabla, casio and basically the Indian classical dance. So these are the certain hula hoops for battles in dancing postures. Coming next to the art room of the primary section. The display boards are also designed to create awareness among the students. This is the art section of primary wing students. Primary classes come to this place for the art classes. All the type of medium of colors is being used here: crayons, pencil color, watercolor, dry colors, pastel colors, activities. So this is a very colorful room as per the students' work you can see. Coming next to mathematics lab. So entering to the mathematics lab, learning gives you wings to fly. So this is our mathematics lab. Mathematics is a very interesting subject. There should be no fear in the minds of the student. That is why we created a small lab. This is an activity-based display boards. Here you can see various plus, minus, addition, subtraction activities are being explained over here. With the help of earbuds, parallel lines, intersecting lines, various concepts are being displayed. This is abacus, which is basically used to teach Vedic mathematics to the students. This is the tangram puzzle, the set of few triangular and square cutouts, and children perform various activities with them. These you can see 3D shapes over here, measuring cups. This is another form of abacus. As per the classes, primary, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they learn various concepts over here. Please come. This is the glass wall, and from here you can see the entire front area of the campus. Please come. This is again a yoga room. This is the yoga room for our primary classes. Healthy mind stays in healthy body. It is very important to meditate, to say Om mantra. So mantra ucharan they practice here early in the morning. Please come. As I've shared, you can see CCTV over here. This is a place for safe drinking water. These are the washrooms, lift. This is lift. This is our server room where we keep monitoring on all the CCTV activities. This is again a glass wall. Cleanliness habit just to develop in the student. The board has been displayed accordingly. Every class has a timetable displayed in front of them. To create the awareness among students, global warming, planting a tree. So well designed display boards. I would like to take you to one of the classroom of a primary section. Please come. All the display boards, everything is as per the students' child's need, their interest, colorful, full of information. Please come. So this now we are entering in one of the primary class, and we would like to see how the primary class functioning happens. So this is hungry for learning. Student says we want to learn. Please come inside. We have Madam Payal as one of the primary teachers over here.
Good morning. My name is Payal Taneja and I teach grade 2 here. We use teaching aids to help students understand the concepts. We also use audio video modules to create a visual and interactive experience for the students. We arrange our class according to our 9 variables, different projects made by the students, jewels of wisdom, birthday chart, beautiful art by the students, good study habits. Awards we give on monthly basis. This is a library corner which so that student can utilize their leisure time effectively. These are teaching aids which we made according to the subjects to introduce the topics. And we have cabinets also in our class for every student so that student can keep their belongings here.
So you can see all these cabinets in every classroom so that the student should not carry the weight of the bags. So entering to the primary indoor sports room. Please come. This is our indoor sports room for the students.
Good morning, my brother. This is a sports room. I am Kawaljeet Kaur. I am working here in the Narayana Palamihar School. Now this is a sports room. I have displayed lots of students here. The first is a hula hoops. There is a multiple colors for the students, and the students are finding the colors here and jumping in a circle. And the second is a cones, small cones for the children for the running. And the third is a hurdles for the jumping. Students are jumping on a hurdles in a one leg in both legs. And the third units is here is flyers. We are using the multiple uses for this students. It's like a throwing, balancing and jumping on that. And the fourth unit here is a balancing beam. Students are balancing on the balancing beam, the last finishing point. And after that is a spoon for the students. This students are is a spooling, and we are using for the toss and catch. Both students are standing for each other, facing to each other, and four students are if single students are using this scoop, so like it's a toss and catch. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. So students want every period as a sports period. Please come. So now we are on the second floor of the campus. Here again we have few primary classes and our library this way. Every place you can see speakers, you can see CCTV. Again the same centralized system, timetable of the students. So entering in the library of the campus. Please welcome. This is our library. Madam.
Myself Sonia Tyagi. I am the librarian of this school. In our library we have almost 5,000 books, and this is our accession register. All the books that are available in the library, I have properly accessioned in this register. Now let's have a look to my library, please. Economics, this is economics section, history section, social studies, geography, math section, physics section, chemistry, science, and these all are competitive books of different subjects: chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and physical chemistry. These all sections. Now we come to the fiction section. These all are fiction section. We have a series of Stilton series. Here Stilton. We have novels, different kind of novels we have. This is my timetable, I follow it. And these again competitive books, again some novels like Percy Jackson, Divergent, Elegant. We have different kind of novels. Again, this section is for competitive students. Now we come to again competition section. This is computer, abacus, general knowledge, music, technology, French. Now come to our journals. We manage different kind of journals. Let's start. Tell Me Why, Pratyogita Kiran, Science Pressure, Chronicles, Career 360, Competition Success, and National Geography. Also, we manage different kind of newspapers like Dainik Jagran, Hindustan Times, Times of India, Now Bharat Times. This is for CBSE NCERT section. This is child literature section. This is English literature section. These are biographies. Students take their most interest in biographies. Sanskrit section, encyclopedia, and for student support there is Olympiad books, English section, philosophy section, Hindi literature, and art culture. Thank you.
Beautiful setup of your library, ma'am.
Thank you.
And very nicely she is taking care of library. Please come. Centralized system of this floor, lift of this floor, washrooms of this floor, and this is the another part of the primary section. So we are at the another part of the primary section. Please come. As I've already shared, these cabinets are kept for the students, giving importance to every subject. Display boards are there. Hindi, science, our community helpers. So let us have a look of one of the primary class. As you can see, beautifully designed doors, headquarters. As the student like superheroes very much, so to have that energy early in the morning, we have created our doors like this. This is the view of one of the primary class. I would like to show you. Please come. Here we have Swati Madam with us, science teacher.
Hello, my name is Swati Sharma and I work here as a PRT Science. And science is all about experiential learning. So here, to teach the concepts, we use hands-on tool which helps the student to get involved and enhance their learning skills. According to the subject and topic, we use different TLMs also, which makes our primary classes student-friendly. For the security and safety of the student, we have 2 cameras in the classes and there are cubicles which are provided to the student to keep their belongings. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now these days students are learning online live classes. So these are the display boards, timetable of another primary class. This is another primary class timetable. This is the display board for personality development aspect. What a good personality, impressive personality could be. This is again on the floor. These fire cylinders properly monitored, properly filled, refilled in regular intervals of time. This is again we have a board of superheroes. Coming next to the physics lab of the campus. This is our physics lab. Please come inside. And here we have Madam Sushma, physics faculty.
Myself Sushma Kumari. I am physics teacher here. I welcome you all sir in my spacious physics lab. And we have so many apparatus as you can see here. And whatever apparatus we are having, so they are kept a record as a stock register. And you can see that all the apparatus which are here, we keep a record and you can see here that we are having the lab manuals for the children, and these lab manuals, whatever experiment they do in the lab, so they keep a record, and that is very, very important. And we are also maintaining a entry exit for the separate classes, and this keeps the record that which class has to come. And here we have the physics enrichment activity. Whatever activity children do now, we keep a record for their internal assessment. And see, it's beautifully made by the children. And you can see various images of our scientists displaced on our wall. And this is to motivate the children to tell the work of the scientists. So this our display board represents timetable according to which children come in our lab with their lab manuals, and these are the list of practicals designed according to the syllabus going in the class. And along with the practicals, they do certain activities. So you can see beautifully made by the children. And along with this, they also make working model. So here is the model of light traveling a straight line. Here we have the model of crane, which is in the working mode as well. You can see that the crane is moving. And here is the set of experiment done by the children. All of them are in the working mode. And now you can see that here we have displayed the activities of the best activity of the children on the display to motivate them. And now moving to the next, here is the inclined plane, which help us to clear the concept of friction. So what is friction? What are the types of friction? What are the means have the more or less friction. Now moving to our electric section. So we have several apparatus: dry cell, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. Here you can see the model of electric bell, which is very useful for clearing the concept of electric bell. So here is the apparatus known as Ohm's law apparatus. This is basically for senior children. They note down the readings when it is on and they make a graph. And next moving to the dynamo, it helps children to tell the conversion of energy. So here you can see that mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy, and this is the solar cooker as well. Moving to next, we have the set of measuring instruments. So this is analytical beam balance, spring balance, and here we have vernier caliper, basically for senior children, and screw gauge. You can see that here we have the set of magnets to tell the magnetic field lines, and this is our optics section. We tell the children about the lens, mirror, and here this is optical bench. When we change the position of the object, the image distance size as well as changes. Now you can see for the refraction of light, we are having prism, glass slab. Now here we have displayed the model made by the children, and you can see that kaleidoscope, periscope. So they have made them self. Okay, thank you.
It's a proud feeling to see the students working here in the lab, as I can see many work done by the students. Great work, ma'am. Thank you. Please. So moving next towards the senior classes. So this is the platform for the senior section. As explained, cabinets on all the floors. As per the age group of the student, concept of English has been explained, CCTV, then again centralized system, and these are few vacant rooms. These are the vacant rooms. So well planned with proper ACs, proper light. This is another vacant room. So all the planning has been done before. Please come. Again, this is the Constitution board. This is Mathematics board. As per the age group, on every floor we have displayed the thing. Music board. This is Hindi Sahitya. Please come. This is a very creative and a very colorful area where students are always keen to give up their work because we display the work done by the students. This is a place to display their energies, their positive nature, their intellect. This is the place for soft skill department. Soft skill is being taught, basically try to imbibe in the student so that we can make them, we can help them in becoming a global child. So if you see here, all the sensitive points to be touched, this is female feticitis, this is National Women's Day, this is about India, this is the bad smoking habits. So everything is being displayed over here just to give a message to the student that how they have to prepare themselves for life. So entering in one of the senior class, this is the timetable of the class. Please come. So we have Madam Monica with us, English faculty. This is the setup of the classroom.
Welcome to Narayana E-Techno School. I'm Monica. Presently I'm working here as Vice Principal as well as an English teacher. So let's get started with today's topic, which is format of letter writing. Though we can divide letter into two parts, formal and informal letter, but here we are going to discuss only formal. Why so? Because in senior classes usually formal letter comes. So first we write sender's address. What is sender's address? The one who sends a letter. For example, you are writing a letter to your mother as you are living in hostel. So who is sender? You are sender. And who will be the receiver? Your mother will be the receiver. So after sender's address, we write date. There is a perfect format for date also. Like there is a formal way. The same way what we have written on our board. After that, receiver's address followed by subject. So what is subject? This is the topic. Like what we want to convey. Followed by salutation. Yes, if I talk about salutation and subject, they can be interlinked. Thank you so much. And so on, as you know. Thank you.
So next I would like to show the place for the safe drinking water, washroom, CCTV here, lift of this floor. We have this floor lift, again cylinders for the safety of the students, and this is the place for safe drinking water. This is staff washroom. Then we have a girls' restroom, symbolic representation you can see. Towards my left is a boys' restroom, again from symbolic representation you can see. Please come. So here, two parts of corridor for the senior wing. We already viewed this side. Let's to be on this side of this wing. This is a congratulation board because appreciation is very important for every individual to grow. This you can see the timetable, display boards according, and now we are entering to the senior maths lab. We have Madam Vanita with us, maths faculty.
Welcome to the Maths Lab. I am Vinita Dillon. As you can see, our Maths Lab is well equipped, so just have a look. With the help of the start, student can understand and learn the properties of rational number. Here we have displayed the activities done by the student. This activity is related to the fractions, and this one is the types of polynomials. Now let's come to the next one. With the help of the start, student can learn about the different type of triangles and here different type of congruent triangles. And here we have placed our lab manuals in which students are doing their experiments and then they are writing. And here is the list of experiments. Students are coming and doing their experiment according to their classes. Here some more charts are there related to the angles and formulas for the mensuration. With the help of these equipment, student can find out the area of different figures like rhombus, right angle triangle, and parallelogram. Here few more lab manuals are there. Now just have a look over here. This is the maths enrichment file activity in which we are maintaining the activities done by our student. And here is one more file for the same. And here is our stock register. And with the help of this one, student will learn about area of circle. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please come. This is the information regarding information board. This is the chemistry board. As I've already shared, as per the level of the children, the things are displayed: colorful biology board, structure of DNA and RNA, again CCTV, fire extinguishers, entering next to the social science lab, a proper timetable for the lab. Here Madam Priyanka with us.
Welcome to my social lab. In this lab, we are usually doing a variety of activity which is related to our social subject. Here, students, you can see, like whenever we are teaching about we are showing continents, we are showing our oceans. So we are always display these things on a globe. Here you can see the compass as well. Few of the different globes which the students are using in their activity. Here you can see the one model of the solar system. Whenever we are talking about this solar system, about Earth rotation, revolution, so we are displaying these models. One thing you can see, the few of the boards you can see, these boards are also mapped activities we are usually doing in this room only. Thank you so much.
So moving towards for our senior students basically. Please come. This is basically for our senior students, chess, caroms and all.
Education that deals with all over development of human body is termed as physical education. Hi everyone, I am Akhtar Khan, working as a physical education teacher in Narayana E-Techno School. We have some indoor activities like ludos, carom board, chess for our children to entertain.
So this is all from my side. We had a quick and a crisp glimpse of the entire campus. Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Upadhyay and Mr. Sanjay. Thank you and have a good day.